Hello people, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Research Hour. This is me, Aisha Gapar here, and today I'm gonna discuss about another scholarship, excellent scholarship opportunity. By the way, guys, this is the time when all the scholarship opportunities in all over the world are opened, and you guys can apply. If you guys are ready to apply, you guys can apply right now, and if you haven't yet ready for applying, and I'll be sharing the details with you guys. I'll be sharing the procedure, and I'll be sharing each and everything related to the scholarship, so you can prepare your applications, and you can take the chance, and you can go to their portals, and you can apply as well. So let's get started without wasting time. As you guys can see, today I'm going to talk about scholarship. Okay, this is for the program for 2026 to 2027 intake, and you guys can see from my screen. Actually, this is only for Pakistani students, because you guys can apply through ATC website. So you guys can take the advantage, because ATC invites application from Pakistan for this particular scholarship. This is basically Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship program. And now let's talk about the program. Okay, I'll briefly introduce you with the program, and I'll give you guys the walkthroughs. I'll give you like each and everything. I'll tell you each and everything in detail. So let's get started. You guys can see, first of all, you guys should know the deadline for submitting the application on both. Like, if you guys wanted to apply through ATC portal, so that's a very good thing. And if you guys apply through the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship portal directly, it's up to you. But if you are a Pakistani student, so I'll suggest you guys, you should apply through ATC portal. And if you guys an international student apart from Pakistan, and you guys are watching my video right now, you guys can apply through the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship portal directly. Okay, so the deadline is 15th January 2026 at 1600, like at 4 p.m. Pakistani Standard Time. You guys know about these things, and according to your country, according to your times and time zones, you guys can convert the time. By the way, okay, so now let's talk about the first of all scholarship types. What kind of scholarship is this, and what advantage will you get if you get the scholarship? So Stipendium Hungaricum scholarships are available for Pakistani students. For example, if I'm only talking about the Pakistani student, and also other nationality students as well. But the eligibility criteria in specified disciplines and programs and other requirements of Hungarian universities under the following programs, and these are the similar for all this kind of nationalities or students. So if you guys are applying for the master's degree, so you guys have the bachelor's degree. Okay, 200 seats available for bachelor's degrees as well. And so if you guys um, sorry, sorry, the wrong information I gave you. I'll correct myself. For first of all, for bachelor's degree, there are total 200 seats, all available disciplines, and 1 year master's degree. Okay, so there are total 70 seats, and they have differentiate the slots: 20 slots for medicine or general medicine, 10 slots for dentistry, and 40 remaining slots for remaining disciplines. So most of the time my subscribers have asked me in the comments that, can you please suggest us about the medicine scholarships? So here is the medicine scholarship. You guys can apply over here. This is not for natural sciences or engineering students. You guys can also apply there, and this is the best opportunity for you. All of you must apply there. Okay, let's talk about the masters and PhD degrees to scholarship. So therefore, masters, they have total 100 seats, all in the all available disciplines. So you guys don't need worry about if your background is engineering, if you are from engineering background, or if you are from medicine background, or if you are from natural sciences background, and all other stuff. Okay, then PhD degree, there are total 30 seats available. Okay, um, they have given over here the link. ATC approved study fields can be found here. Okay, you guys can, I'll upload this in the description of my video. You guys can check from there as well, or I'll give the link in the description of my video. You guys can download from there as well. So they have written over here the study level. Okay, the first column, the second column, there are major disciplines, you guys can see. And in the third column, there are subfields in these major disciplines. So you guys can have a better idea from this particular um, document. So this is for undergrad, and this is for 1 year master's degree program, and this is for master's. Okay, so make sure to go through all these things before applying. Okay guys, now let's talk about the eligibility criteria first. This is the most important thing, and you guys should should stick to these eligibility criteria. So make sure your application won't get rejected, and make sure your application get accepted. So make sure to follow each and everything very precisely. You must be a you must be a citizen of Pakistan if you are applying through this HEC. Your applicants enrolled in the last year of their existing study program degree and award awaiting candidates are all allowed to apply there. So most of the time students are concerned that we are in our last year or last semester, so can we apply? Yes, you can apply. Okay, you guys can apply through HOP certificate as well. You guys can apply. Don't miss this chance. Make sure to apply. There is no age limit for the application process. This is the best thing about this scholarship. Applicant must be 18 years of age on before 31st August 2026, and there is no age limit, so you guys can apply if you are in your 30s, 40s, or even 20s. So you guys can apply over there for bachelor's, okay, undergraduate program. And the one that is inspiring thing about this scholarship is that it offers bachelor's degree scholarship like for BS and for masters as well and for PhD. So that's the good thing. Most of the time you guys can see different scholarship which only offer only one degree. So there are multiple degrees over here you guys can apply. Okay, so for bachelor's and 1 year master's degree program like medicine, dentistry, etc., currently enrolled in application final years are eligible to apply for the scholarship application process. Note that applicant must have possessed one complete intermediate or equivalent before 1st of August 2026 if you guys wanted to apply for your undergrad degree. So you should have to stick this line. Okay, in case of failure of submission of final degree and transcripts on this website, okay, portal before August 1st, candidate will be candidature will be cancelled. So for as far as the this line is concerned, this is the basically a portal where once you applied over here you have to like stick to okay, so once you have applied over here you have to stick different criteria where one of the thing is that you have to upload all your documents on that particular portal. So if you are in your final year, you didn't receive your degree yet, or you didn't receive your DMC yet, so once you get the DMC or degree before the 1st August 2026, so you have to upload all your degrees on that particular portal so that your application got accepted. Okay, so you guys can have a better idea right now. Let's talk about master's program. For postgraduate applicants must be completed 16 years of bachelor's degree before August. If you haven't, the same case is with masters. If you haven't completed your degree yet, don't worry about it. You guys can get your transcripts or degrees right after your exams are done. You are done with your exam, so you guys can apply right now and you guys can upload your degrees later. In case of failure of submission of final degree and transcripts, your application will be cancelled. And make sure to have this thing here in mind that if you are involved in this process, make sure to complete this process as soon as possible. This is the same case for PhD programs. Okay, so you have to complete all the requirements before 1st August 2026. So now let's talk about the main thing is that attestation of educational documents is not required at the initial stage of the process. So you guys can apply right now through this scholarship portal, for example. So you can apply what kind of you guys can apply without concerning what kind of scholarship, or sorry, what kind of degrees do you have right now, you guys can apply. Okay, on the basis of every degree or every information that you have right now, you guys can uh, complete your applications before August 2026, and you have time. You guys can complete your degrees, your attest your degrees if you haven't get attested right now, so you guys can attest it after applying as well. So after the applicant has been nominated by the HEC, the certificate, transcripts or degrees to be attached must be attested by the attesting authorities. You have to you can apply right now, and then you have to test the degrees through HEC by HEC, and then from IBCC as well. So IBCC, your intermediate and matric degrees will be attested, and from HSA your bachelor's or your master's degrees will be attested. Okay, and you guys have better idea that if you are living in Pakistan, so you should have to attest your degrees from MOFA, and this is the last step, by the way. First you will get attested your degrees by the from IBCC, then HEC, and then MOFA. Okay, then some Hungarian universities may require IELTS or TOEFL scores. So it depends on which university you are applying. Okay, so if it's my own personal advice to all of you. So if you are applying in any particular scholarship, so you guys can take the IELTS test, and it's not that much particular difficult test. If you get 6.5 bands or even 7 bands, that are totally perfectly fine. Okay, so all of the required documents are compulsory and must be submitted online through the application portal. This is the application portal before 15th of January, except for the medical certificate, which you must bring you and present it during compulsory medical examination. So you have to this, because this is the extra thing, medical certificate. You have to uh, show them that you are medically fit for this medically fit. Okay, so this is the extra requirement. You have to complete this requirement, but not right now. In case of final selection, for example, you have applied over here, you are selected. So in case of final selection, applicant will have to submit a bond of legal stamp paper on HEC that she will not change discipline after final award of scholarship, and immediately after completion of her degree she will return to Pakistan to serve the country for a period of prescribed by the HEC, like 5 years almost, I think. In case of failure to do so, HEC reserves the right to recover from the candidate of his grantor or a penalty amount as prescribed decided by the HEC. So these are some precautionary measures, you have to stick on it. Okay, then applicants must fulfill all other requirements by the host Hungarian universities. Then I'm not gonna read all of the things because this is too much. Okay, I will paste the link over here because the video is too long to continue right now. I'll make the second part of this video. I'm gonna stop this video right over here, and I'll make the second part where I'll cover what are the eligible available programs and how you guys can apply. I'll give you a walkthrough through this scholarship portal, how you can how you guys can sign in or register, then how you guys can apply, what is the procedure, and what are the documentation, and what are the additional instructions that you have to follow, each and everything, like letter of recommendation, why letter of recommendation is necessary, why research plan is necessary, what is the statement of supervisor, each and everything I'll cover in the second part of this video. So I'm going to stop this video over here. If you have any questions till now, do let me know in the comments below. I'll be let's wait for the second part of this where I'll be there. Okay, till then, Allah Hafiz.